Stop what you're doing right now, as I'm going to show you how you can make passive income online. You don't want to miss the insider's exclusive system called BingBucks. Why is it called BingBucks? Because we exploit a platform called Bing that produces cash for us even while we sleep. Everybody's heard of the tremendous growth of making money online, where average people are quitting their jobs and raking in millions online. But there's something you may not realize, like how a small group of people are quietly making money off a viral, untapped million-dollar internet pipeline. That's right, while others are busy creating products, blog posts, content, YouTube videos, and other cheesy methods, people like me are banking big bucks, simply siphoning traffic from multi-million-dollar companies. It doesn't matter if we're sleeping, vacationing, or spending time with family. How do we do it? With the BingBucks system, I can pretty much guarantee you'll not see this system shared openly. You'll understand why when you hear how I discovered it and use it daily to amass a fortune for myself and my family. Now, I give others the opportunity to do the same. If you use this system exactly like I say, you too will have a shot at making your own automated income, and those who commit themselves to do it much, much better. I understand if this sounds too good to be true. Just wait until you hear what others who are using it are saying. Luis here just made $5,600 last month. Peter here just hit $1,700 in a single day. Mike here just made $2,594 in a single week. Hi, I'm Sean Josiah. And together with my partner Dan, we've decided to create the one and only passive income system on the internet. Together we generated multiple seven figures, and we were awarded multiple awards for our affiliate marketing ventures. Why am I telling you this? It's for one reason: transparency. I'm sick and tired of product owners staying anonymous and hiding behind a fake profile. Why do they do this? It's because they want to take zero accountability for their students' failures. My partner and I want to be fully transparent and make sure you know that you are in good hands. We have the credentials and proof to back up our claims, something that most gurus don't have. Although we've generated a lot of money online, it wasn't always like this. Not too long ago, I worked in the military, putting my blood, sweat, and tears into serving my country. It was hard work and the hours were long. Even though I put in 60 hours a week, I still didn't make enough money to pay the bills. I slept on worn-out, lumpy mattresses that previous renters had left in our cramped studio apartment. And there were times I had to decide between paying rent or paying the power bill. I dreamed of financial freedom, but that seemed next to impossible. So out of desperation, I started looking for ways to make money online. You've been there, right? Can you relate? Everything I tried turned out to be a scam or something complicated with no one there to help me. This is where it gets good. While I was at a marketing event to learn about online advertising, I met an old friend of mine. He was telling me about his life and which supercar he was going to buy next. Not only that, he was showing pictures of him and his family traveling the world and having loads of fun. Although I was very happy for him, I was puzzled at how he was able to do that. I did my best to be happy for him, but I couldn't hide my true feelings for long. He sensed something was up, so he asked me about me and my situation. After explaining my situation, he gladly told me what he was doing. Apparently, making money comes down to two things: something to sell and someone to sell it to. But the best part was, he didn't even have a product. He was simply getting big commissions for selling other people's products. Then you might be asking, how about traffic? Who did he sell to? That's the beauty of it. He siphons traffic from these big companies using Bing to make money for himself. This was nuts. Naturally, I went back home and gave it a shot. Lo and behold, I made $315 the next day. This was too easy. That's when I met Dan, my buddy for many years, and taught him this exact method. We both worked hard to refine this method and eventually turned it into something completely passive. It's like we created a baby. Soon we were both making $5,145 per month completely passively with this method, and use this money to invest in other projects to make us multiple 6 and 7 figures. If making $5,000 per month on complete autopilot sounds good to you, then you need to listen up. I'm not promising you that you will be millionaires, nothing like that at all. The truth is, if you want to be making big money like millionaires, you need to put in the effort. But here's what I can promise you. If you want to make $5,000 per month on complete autopilot, then BingBucks is where you need to be. If you want to scale to $10,000 per month, that's completely up to you. My job here is to make sure you have a passive income stream that pays you month after month. This is the definition of having money work for you, instead of the other way around. I have vacationed all over the globe and I don't see an end in sight. Last year I purchased a brand new Mercedes, and I'm about to invest in a bunch of real estate all over the world. I honestly can't believe all of this has happened to me. I'm forever grateful for everything that I've discovered and for everything I went through. Every setback, every misstep, every loss that proved to be a dead end. I found something that actually works. Something that helped me make more money than I ever had in my whole life. It's about the fact that I have the power to use my system to make money wherever I am. You basically make money whenever and wherever you go. The money you make is completely passive and requires zero maintenance. All I ask is 5 minutes of your time to set this up, and that's it. Now you may be thinking, how much will this all cost me? And that's a good question. But don't worry. First off, I know I could sell everything I've collected over the years for thousands of dollars. Typically, this kind of expert-level information goes for 4-figure fees on top of recurring payments. However, I want you to have all the tools you need to succeed, and that's why I'm giving you lifetime access to my system for only $17. Again, this method could sell for far, far more. But I want you to have everything you need to level the playing field and change your life for the better. $17 is the bargain of the century. And if you get started right now, I will throw in over $1,000 of bonus content for free. There are no hidden payments or fees, just $17 to discover my methods that will quickly work for you. You should look at this not as a purchase, but as an investment in your future. You could quite easily make your $17 back within days. Some of our existing members will earn weekly incomes of up to $2,500. Suppose you have any doubts or any questions about making this investment. In that case, I want to eliminate any possible risks by offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. If my methods don't work for you, just email me and I'll refund your investment that day. It's that simple. This is a no-risk win-win transaction with nothing for you to lose. You get to try my system for 30 days, and if you do not make passive income as we stated, then we will refund you. No questions asked. If you're watching this presentation, then congratulations. You're granted access to my methods and A to Z program to success. All you need to do is click the button below and you can get started making money today. There's nothing else to it. You could be up and running making money within a few hours of joining our current members, making up to $2,500 a week on Autopilot. Click the button below and I can't wait to see you inside the members area.